Hello folks, here I'm gonna show you when I'm servicing my friend's car. Here it's really hard to remove the lug nuts. I thought there's problem with my impact gun, but because it's struggling. But when I look at the condition of the lug here there's a problem with the lug nut already. See, it's scraping the bushing of that wheel. So it's really hard to remove. I thought there's a problem with my impact gun. So see the build up when it's scraping when you're undoing the lug nut. Okay, so the problem here is over torque. Whoever put this lug nut when it was serviced, it's really over torque. So I presume with this 4 stud Lancer Mitsubishi, it's somewhere around 80 to 85 or 90 foot-pounds maximum. So this lug nuts needs replacement, and that bushing inside needs to be grinded so it's not gonna scrape on the new lug nuts. So here I'm still showing that particular build up of the scrape lug nut. There's nothing wrong with the threads. You can still use by hand, use your hand to put the lug nuts. So there's no issue of cross threading here. It's just over torque. So again, it's a reminder to make sure that you torque your lug nuts based on specification. My friend says he just changed the pads somewhere around 1 year ago. Then again, he can still feel the vibration when he's stepping on the brakes, especially on downhill. So as you can see, the marks on that rotor, and I'm pretty sure this rotor is warped. Here you can see the boot on the bottom one. It's already, I don't know why it's like that, but later on I was able to figure out that the bottom part is not inserted in the caliper hole. That's why it's coming off when you remove the sliding pin. And this caliper, no, this rotor needs resurfacing because here you can clearly see the 24.4 minimum thickness. After, well, I've measured the thickness, the actual thickness of this rotor, and I think if I remember it right, somewhere around 26 or 25 point. Yeah, here. This is the actual uh, thickness before resurfacing, so it's showing 25.5 ish. So after removing the other side, the passenger side, this is the driver side, so after removing the passenger side and I measured it also, it's pretty much the same, nearly 26. This one is 25.6. So I brought these two rotors to the machine shop, and they said still okay for resurfacing. So yeah, my friend was able to save I think somewhere around 70 bucks per rotor. If he's gonna buy a new rotor, it will cost him somewhere around $100 to $110 per rotor. But resurfacing on the machine shop, it will only cost him around $35. Here I've already bought the new lug nuts and cleaning the threads using a die. It's can't remember the size. I think it's 12 by 1.5. So as I've said, there's no issue with the cross threading here on the old lug nuts and studs. This one I just want to make sure that it will be clean, because we are gonna be using a new lug nuts for this driver side. Here I'm just showing that it is important to make sure to not really grind, but remove the excessive rust buildup to make sure the new rotor or the resurfaced rotor will be sitting flush with this hub. As you can see, there's some buildup of rust already. This is also the cause, one cause of vibration when you're stepping on the brake, because even though your rotor is already brand new or newly resurfaced, sometimes it will still affect the performance of your brakes. And here is a finished one after cleaning it. So see how shiny it is. I just used a handrail and attachment with the pad, and now it's really clean. So just avoid damaging the studs also. Here I made sure that all 4 lug nuts are partially installed, so you're not gonna damage. And on this side you can see this is the passenger side. Been telling my friend that it's really bad. If you're not gonna clean this one, the rust buildup, it's gonna be affecting the brake performance. And this is the final result after cleaning the passenger side. So this is the hub. So this is the grinding wheel I've used. So yeah, it's pretty clean. So my friend is really happy when he saw this video. So again, this is really important when you're servicing your own brakes. I don't know if you bring it to mechanic shop, if they will do it that clean. And this is the almost final. Oh, this is what I was telling a while ago. The bottom was installed properly. I thought the boot was broken, but no. The person or the mechanic guy who serviced this one before didn't do his job well. See, and then I already lubricated the sliding pins, and this is the finished. And this one is the back of the wheel. I clean it also to make sure that it's gonna be and this one I've already used I don't know how you call this grinding attachment. And this is the final. Yep, that's it.